In this section, we're going to be looking at parallel lines and triangles. To start off with, we're going to look at postulate 3.3, parallel postulate. The postulate states that through a point not on a line, there is one and only one line parallel to the given line. So here in our example, we can see that there's exactly one line that can go through point P that will be parallel to line L. The next theorem we're going to look at is theorem 310, triangle angle sum theorem. It states that the sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So here you can see that we have a triangle ABC, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B plus measure of angle C is going to equal 180 degrees. Before we learn the next theorem, we have to look at some concepts. Here you can see that we have a triangle and we've extended one side a little bit further. And now we're going to look at an exterior angle of a polygon. An exterior angle of a polygon is an angle formed by a side and an extension of an adjacent side. So you can see that we've extended one side past a regular triangle, and that gives us the angle formed at angle 1 there. For each exterior angle of a triangle, the two non-adjacent interior angles are called remote interior angles. So here you can see that we have one exterior angle, which is angle 1, and then the two non-adjacent interior angles are 2 and 3, which makes them remote interior angles. Now we're going to go ahead and learn the theorem, theorem 311, triangle exterior angle theorem. The measure of each exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the measure of its two remote interior angles. So here you can see that we have an extension and then which produces the exterior angle, angle 1. So the theorem states that measure of angle 1 equals measure of angle 2 plus measure of angle 3. So now we're going to look at an example that requires us to use the triangle exterior angle theorem. So here we want to solve for the measure of angle 2. And we know that the exterior angle is 124 and one of the non-adjacent remote interior angles is 59. So based on the theorem, we know that the exterior angle equals the two remote interior angles added together. So as you can see, 124, which is the exterior angle, equals 59 plus the measure of angle 2. And basically you want to solve for measure of angle 2, so what you do, you subtract 59 from both sides, and that would leave us with measure of angle 2 equals 65 degrees.